Here we go.
What's up YouTube, and welcome to another vocal warm-up video. This is yet another 4-part harmony exercise. This is one I picked up from the 2012, whoa. This is 2012 International Champion Quartet Ringmasters. I have no idea where this exercise comes from or if it even has a name, but let's just call it the Ringmasters exercise. So first I'm going to show you the exercise part by part, then I'll show you how it sounds in context, and then at the very end it's up to you to choose between the two practice videos I've made. Alright, let's get started. So all 4 parts are going to start on the same note, and then bass and baritone are going to move their way down the major scale, and the tenor is going to move upwards. From there, we're going to take a breath, and then we're going to sing some harmonies and change key. You can use any word or any key that fits your ensemble. This example, we're going to use the word home, and we're going to sing it in the key of E flat. The lead part sings just one note, and you can put a breath in between the two sections. So in the last half of the lead part, you're actually changing function all the time, so you can practice microtonal tuning. The bass part sounds like this. Home, home. And then the next note is home, changing keys. The baritone sounds like this. Home, 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 new key change. The tenor sounds like this. Home, home, new key. Now let's listen how this exercise sounds in context. Home, 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 home. And there you have it, the Ringmasters exercise. Super fun, super simple. It's perfect for practicing key changes as well as locking in some of those barbershop chords. If you like these a cappella and barbershop warm-up videos, make sure you check out the other ones I've done. If you like this video, then please consider leaving a like on your way out and comment down below if you have any thoughts or feedback for me. And if you like the videos I make and if you want to support me and support the channel, please consider becoming a member of the channel by clicking the join button. And that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!